Once upon a time, in a cookery class, the students found themselves struggling with the recipes assigned by the chef. Frustration started to creep in as they voiced their complaints about the complexity of the dishes and the chef's high standards. Sensing an opportunity for a valuable life lesson, the chef decided to provide a live demonstration. Little did the students know, this demonstration would change the way they look at themselves. The chef took them to the kitchen, where he filled 3 pots with water and placed them on high heat. Once the pots began to boil, he added potatoes to one, eggs to the second, and ground coffee beans to the third. Without uttering a word, he let them boil. The students waited anxiously, curious about his intentions. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He carefully removed the potatoes and placed them in a bowl, followed by the eggs. Finally, he poured the aromatic coffee into a cup. The students observed silently, trying to comprehend the chef's actions and the lessons they might hold. Turning to them, he asked, "My dear students, what do you see?" One of them replied hastily, "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee." "Look closer," he said, and touched the potatoes. The student did and noted that they were soft. He then asked him to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, the students observed the hard-boiled egg had turned rubbery and unbreakable anymore. Finally, he asked him to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile to his face. "Chef, what does this mean?" he asked. He proceeded to clarify that the potatoes, eggs, and coffee beans had all encountered the same challenge of boiling water, yet their responses varied greatly. The potato, initially sturdy and unyielding, turned soft and feeble in the boiling water. The egg, delicate with a protective shell, became malleable inside the boiling water. However, the coffee beans demonstrated a remarkable transformation. They altered the water, giving rise to something entirely new and amazing. "Which one are you?" he asked his students. "When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean?" In our day-to-day life, let us ask the same question to ourselves. Who am I? Am I someone who is going to give up, or am I going to take it as challenge and transform into a better person? Thank you for joining us and investing your time. We hope that our short video has sparked valuable insights within you. If you found the content enjoyable, consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging videos.